Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa just came back from a short getaway, and every time when I come back from a short travel trip, I will definitely want to steam some very good fish because it is so costly outside to order dish when you eat outside, you know. So make it at home. It's not that difficult, and it's a lot more affordable when you make it at home. Yeah. So what I have here is today is actually one of my most favorite fish. It's called Hai Di Ji. Direct translate, deep sea chicken. I think the correct name should be bluebird lips. Look at the lips here. Okay, it's bluebird lips snapper. So one type of snapper. So why is this fish so special? It is super tender. Yeah, the normal snapper is already very tender, right? This is a lot more tender than that, at least 2-3 times more tender. So one of my most favorite fish. This is actually half of the fish. The whole fish is probably like 1.2 kg. I requested the seller to butterfly cut, so this is half of it. Yeah, we have the head and the part of the tail here, and so this is probably about 600 gram or 550. I'm going to steam it and make some very simple but very nice Hong Kong style steamed fish sauce. Now we have here, after you wash the fish, of course, you want to remove the fish kidney and also put a few pieces of ginger on top. And I'll be giving it a little bit of fine salt. Then I will send this to the steamer. Alright, so once it is preheated to 100 degrees Celsius and above, we're going to put in the fish. And we're going to steam it for about 10 minutes. Yeah. While waiting for the fish, I'm going to very quickly show you how I make the sauce. Let's start with using some filtered water. If it's hot, even better. Okay. Next thing, this is fried garlic together with some fried garlic oil. I'm going to put it in. Right, immediately this is very fragrant. Yeah. Then I'm going to give it some light soy sauce. Just for the sake of color, I will give it a little bit of dark soy sauce. This is optional. Actually, most of the time I don't put dark soy sauce. Today, just want to do a bit slightly different. You can put a bit of sugar if you like. Yeah. Next thing, you just want to make sure. Oh, sorry. I'm just going to give it a little bit of salt here. So you want to make sure everything is nicely dissolved. And your very nice steamed fish sauce is ready. Let's just wait for the fish. Meanwhile, I have some garnishing to prepare. So here is the sauce, and I have some sliced red chili, sliced ginger, and also some sliced spring onion. Yeah. After you slice the spring onion, you do keep it inside some cold water so that it will curl up, which will make it look nicer. So this is after steaming for about 10 minutes. Yeah. Carefully open the lid. Wow. Wow. I love the whitish color of the fish. Let me show you. You can see. Look at the beautiful whitish color. Oh, nice. And we have the fishy water as well. That is also the source of fishiness. We're going to remove that water later. Right, here's my very beautiful Hai Di Ji. First thing, I want to pour the steamed fish sauce we made just now. Oh, too much sauce, never mind. I'll keep some. Then I'm going to put in some ginger and also red chili. And some spring onion. Not done yet. I'll top it up with some fried garlic. Alright, that's how simple it is to make a restaurant standard beautiful Hong Kong style steamed fish. Yeah, and I'm using my most favorite fish, Hai Di Ji. If you like my very simple video today, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.